Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how can we change password in our AiHouse. Okay, so first thing first, you need to make sure you log into your account and you are still in the login page. Okay, and then to go on to the setting, you can go to your profile. Okay, and then you can go to settings. Click on it. So it will direct you to another page for the back end. And then to go on to the setting page onto your password change, you guys can go to your setting again, go to your profile on top, and then you can go to settings. Okay, so here you will have account and security. So to change on the password, you can go to security. Okay, and then here you will notice we have password security, so you can click to modify. Okay, but for sure you need to remember your old password, then only you can have your new password. Okay, so this is how you change your password under AiHouse. Right, so that is all from me. Thank you.